Extract column value based on another column in Pandas. I am kind of getting stuck on extracting value of one variable conditioning on another variable. For example, the following data frame. How can I get the value of a when b equals 3? Every time when I extracted the value of a, I got an object, not a string.
You could use lock to get series which satisfying your condition and then illic to get first element. You can try query, which is less typing.
Try. Assuming df is your pandas.dataframe.
Use df b equals 3a, dot value 0, if you just one item itself without the brackets.
Edited. What I described below under previous is chained indexing and may not work in some situations. The best practice is to use lock, but the concept is the same. Row and col can be specified directly, for example, A, B, or with a mask, for example dfb, equals 3. Using the example below. Previous, it's easier for me to think in these terms, but borrowing from other answers. The value you want is located in a data frame. Where column and row point to the values you want returned. For your example, column is A and for row you use a mask. To get the first matched value from the series there are several options.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.